Okay, I'm at the corner of Barton Springs and Robert E. Lee Street. And I'm going to go down the trail here to Town Lake. And I hope I don't die. Got my trusty Chinese-made bicycle here, made by slave laborers who know how a bike should be made. There's a nice bridge for you. It's a very popular trail. So this is the mouth of Barton Creek as it comes out to Town Lake. This is on the eastern corner. I gotta come here and plant some pansies. We like our memorials here in Austin, so this is one of the great many memorials you'll find in the downtown area. Kisses and hugs, Chris. Oh, no, don't do that. They're jumping off the bridge. Oh, these guys are nuts.
We're lifeguards. Come on, jump. Like that.
This is yet another one of our beautiful gazebos here in Austin. Some of these bricks have been paid for, with the people getting their name here. Swimming. Beautiful. It's an eagle, a snake, and an armadillo locked in Mortal Kombat. Welcome to Texas, y'all. And it's rusty. We also have a longboat team and club and league. We do amazing things with limestone here. It's almost Romanesque. And crepe myrtles to die for. This area is called Neff Point. And you can buy a brick for as low as $100. $100 a brick. That's good. And then we have a plaque. City of Austin Town Lake Development. 1975. Kind of old. But beautiful. And yes, we Texans like the rusty red. Rust is natural. Don't be afraid of it. Let's see if we can see what this says here. A gift of love for Town Lake from Nancy Hetkamp Kohler. Thanks, Nancy. Well, if you ever wondered where Zilker Park has room for a stage, that's it. This is facing the north side of Zilker Park. Actually, it's facing north on the north side. And this is where they have the Austin City Limits Festival and several others. It's right next to the railroad tracks here, if you'll notice. the Zilker Zephyr comes here and does a loop and goes back there to Tartan Springs. Anyway, it's not as large a part of the park as I thought it would be. I sure love the outdoorsiness and the lack of fences. Welcome to Austin, folks. Loop 1, the big freeway on the west side in Austin called Mopac, has a pedestrian bridge attached to it, underneath it. Pretty good bridge. Connects right up with the hike and bike trail here on Town Lake. And this is on the west side of Town Lake in Austin. Both sides of the river are covered. There are bridges, several pedestrian bridges.